Hey everyone, welcome back to the Brain Lab. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in neuroscience, the anatomy of the brain. We'll explore the different parts of the brain, their functions, and why they're so important. So let's get started. The human brain is an extraordinary organ. It weighs about 3 pounds and contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each connected by synapses that transmit information throughout the brain and body. The brain is divided into 3 main parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem. Each of these areas has distinct functions that are crucial for our daily lives. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, comprising about 85% of its weight. It's responsible for higher brain functions such as thought, action, and sensory processing. The cerebrum is split into 2 hemispheres, the left and right, which control opposite sides of the body. Each hemisphere is further divided into 4 lobes: the frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital lobes. The frontal lobe, located at the front of the brain, is involved in reasoning, planning, problem-solving, emotions, and motor function. It's often referred to as the control panel of our personality and communication. It contains the primary motor cortex, which is responsible for voluntary movements. The parietal lobe, positioned at the upper back part of the brain, processes sensory information such as touch, temperature, and pain. It also plays a role in spatial orientation and navigation. The primary somatosensory cortex, located here, is essential for processing sensory input from various parts of the body. The temporal lobe, found on the sides of the brain, is crucial for processing auditory information and is important for memory and speech. The hippocampus, located within the temporal lobe, is vital for forming new memories. The occipital lobe, located at the back of the brain, is primarily responsible for visual processing. It contains the primary visual cortex, which interprets visual information received from the eyes. Segment 3. The cerebellum. The cerebellum, which means little brain, is located underneath the cerebrum at the back of the brain. It's essential for motor control, helping us maintain balance and posture and coordinating voluntary movements. Although it doesn't initiate movement, it ensures that our actions are smooth and precise. The cerebellum also plays a role in motor learning, helping us refine skills through practice. Segment 4. The brainstem. The brainstem is the oldest part of the brain from an evolutionary perspective. It connects the cerebrum with the spinal cord and is vital for regulating basic life functions such as heartbeat, breathing, and blood pressure. The brainstem is made up of 3 parts: the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. The midbrain is involved in functions such as vision, hearing, eye movement, and body movement. It contains structures like the superior colliculus and inferior colliculus, which are involved in visual and auditory processing, respectively. The pons acts as a relay station between different parts of the brain and plays a key role in sleep and dreaming. It contains nuclei that deal with sleep, respiration, swallowing, bladder control, hearing, equilibrium, taste, eye movement, facial expressions, and posture. The medulla oblongata regulates vital functions like heartbeat and breathing, ensuring that our body operates smoothly even while we sleep. It contains the cardiac, respiratory, vomiting, and vasomotor centers, and deals with autonomic, involuntary functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. Segment 5. The limbic system. Deep within the brain lies the limbic system, a complex set of structures responsible for our emotional life and the formation of memories. Key components of the limbic system include the hippocampus, amygdala, and hypothalamus, essential for the formation of new memories and spatial navigation. It plays a critical role in consolidating information from short-term memory to long-term memory. Plays a key role in processing emotions, particularly fear and pleasure. The amygdala is involved in the formation of emotional memories and helps us respond to environmental stimuli. Regulates bodily functions such as hunger, thirst, and temperature. It also controls the pituitary gland, which governs hormone release throughout the body. The hypothalamus plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis. Conclusion. And that's a detailed overview of the brain's anatomy. Understanding the structure of the brain is the first step in unraveling the mysteries of how it works. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Brain Lab, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.